Small space, big style. Decorating tips to make your living room feel larger. And what to do if you just need more space. Living in a small space doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. Whether you're in a cozy apartment, a charming condo, or a little beach bungalow on the Space Coast, the right colors, furniture, and layout can make all the difference. But hey, if even after all the decorating magic you're still feeling cramped, don't worry, your favorite Space Coast realtor, that's me, is just a call away to help you upgrade your square footage. Number 1, light and airy colors are your best friends. When it comes to wall colors, think light and breezy. Shades like soft whites, pale grays, and light blues reflect natural light and create the illusion of a larger space. Dark colors can make a room feel cozy, but they can also make it feel smaller. Save those for accents or smaller decor items. Multifunctional furniture for the win. Invest in furniture that works double duty. Ottomans with storage, sleeper sofas, and nesting tables are lifesavers in smaller living rooms. A sleek, expandable dining table can also save the day when guests pop by. Mirrors on the wall. Mirrors are the ultimate space hack. They reflect light and make your room look larger instantly. Hang a large mirror opposite a window to amplify natural light or create a mirrored gallery wall for extra charm. Vertical space is prime real estate when floor space is limited, so look up. Tall bookshelves, floating shelves, and wall-mounted storage can make a huge difference. Bonus points for using baskets to keep clutter out of sight. Keep it minimal but cozy. Clutter is the enemy of small spaces. Stick to a few key decor pieces that bring you joy and have a purpose. Think plush throw pillows, a cozy area rug, and some well-placed greenery. The magic of statement pieces. Instead of cramming a room with tiny furniture, go for 1 or 2 statement pieces. A bold armchair or a unique coffee table can anchor the space and make it feel intentional. But let's be honest, sometimes even the best decorating tricks can't add square footage. If your small living room has you feeling like you're playing furniture Tetris every day, it might be time to level up. As your trusted Space Coast realtor, I know just the homes with open floor plans, spacious living areas, and room to stretch out. Whether you're dreaming of a bigger home or just a living room where you can finally do a cartwheel, hey, no judgment. I'm here to help. Call, text, or send me a smoke signal, and let's find you a space where style meets space. Now, where did I put my tape measure? P.S. If you want to search for a bigger home, check out the link below to see some homes that may be your dream home. Click this link and let the searching begin.